discus throwing. We've got our buddy Luke here. Hey, what's up, guys? I make music on YouTube. Let me be a superhero. Watch and learn. We're going for distance here, people. And I got detention. Get on right now. Like this guy. Oh, shoot. You're gonna be. What are you doing with that? Oh, he's got like the front heavy. Oh. Hey, whoa, whoa! Hey, hold your own airplane. Luke, what are we sitting at? Let's see. My two planes are the same, but a little bit different. I don't know. I accidentally did that, but I'm glad that I did. A lot of confidence here. Clutch moment right here. Winning airplane. Corey's gonna win. Winning too easy. Oh my gosh, you're gonna. Corey's plane's gonna win. Wow. Worst airplane I've ever seen in my life. Now, this is gonna. We'll let the airplanes do the talk. Oh my god. Let's move, folks. Garrett, on a scale of 1 to 10, how confident are you in first plane throw? Honestly, that doesn't sound good. All right, people, we're going for distance. Oh! Alright, you didn't think it. Garrett, this right here is gonna win the match. Cody's first plane. Hey, whoa! Not too bad. Cody's just farther than Garrett. All right, who's next? Hey, coming to you. One spin and the release. Oh no! Fortunately, the wind. Oh my God! Going backwards. Appropriately, it went into the trash area. Wow, that was really bad. Cody is in the lead. This moment, I recommend you pause your YouTube video, comment how awful Corey's is about to go. Do you think you should go with the one with the hole first or not? Oh, you don't care? Neither do we. One throw and the release. Oh gosh! It barely made it off the ledge. It's still going. No, it's tumbling. It's tumbling through the air. Oh wait, it went backwards. Negative distance. You're done. All right, folks. The one, the only, Luke Connard. Which one you going with, Luke? This is the Stinger. This is the Stinger. All right, here we go, Luke. One spin, one spin. Flaps up. That might affect the distance. The train. Oh, backward. Whoa. It's climbing down the wall. I think I got a total distance. After a first round update, Cody Jones in first place, Garrett in second, Tyler in third, Luke and Corey hardly worth mentioning. Yeah. Hey, medal round. All right. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah. Oh, fly, little airplane, fly. Oh, no. Garrett, I'm sure you hope for more than that. I'm disappointed, but I'm still sitting in second. You are. I'm still in medal contention. Cody, T-bowing. Cody's second and final throw. And the release. Oh, it's flying pure. Oh, no way. No way. No. Oh, my gosh. That was incredible. All the way over the train tracks. Cody, who knew? Here we go, Ty. You got to move up past me to get silver. It's launch time. Yeah. Oh, gosh. Oh, no. Oh no. Oh God. Oh, it didn't even make it over the barbed wire fence. You not beat me. I think it's pretty clear. I think he talked a little too much rubbish. Yeah. Before he threw it. Yeah, and it went in Luke's second throw. Luke, come let us see the airplane. I made a little last minute pit stop adjustment. Put some weight up in the front. I don't think Cody's concerned. Go with the train or without it. It'll help. All right. Ride the train, go, go, go. Really good. Yeah, all right. That might be a silver medal. Guys, Luke is now sitting in silver. Luke chunked that airplane. Yeah. I think the pure velocity made a difference. If while you've been watching this video, you've been wanting to go get a snack or maybe take a bathroom break, now would be a good time. 3, 2, 1, launch. Oh, fly airplane. Fly. 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 Oh my gosh. Fly. Short of blue. Bronze. And now it's time for the medal presentation. Tyler, unfortunately you're not part of it, so you can do the honors. So with a semi-bronze colored rock, Corey, I don't know if you bite the bronze, but here you go. Congratulations, big fella. With a semi-silver colored rock, Our buddy Luke.
Our buddy Luke.
Wish you wouldn't have showed up today.
With a shocking performance.
Out of nowhere, former greenskeeper, now paper airplane flying champion, Cody Jones with a gold-colored rock.
That's what's up.
I gave myself a screw. I feel like that's what happened today.
I screwed up.
Do the math. Please comment below if you think this should be an Olympic sport in 2016 in Rio.
I do it for this.
Luke, why don't you tell the audience to make recommendations for the next sport?
Leave a comment below what we should do next.
Alright guys, Luke's going to be hosting our next sport. This is the hotel drop shot. It's time for me to step up to the plate and nail a couple shots. Click on his silver medal to go to his channel and make sure you subscribe to him so you can see the next sport we'll be doing. How about you give us our signature inning, a little pound it, followed by a noggin.
Pound it. Noggin.
Right on. Good having you, Luke.
And you've been nothing but amazing, and I never take that for granted.
Corey,
Some people
would
say that these are two of the exact same paper airplanes.
those people would be wrong.
This one has holes in it.
See, I've got a snub nose, and I also have the, I like to call it the Speed Demon. A lot of people call it the Yellow Jacket, just because it's, yellow. And I throw them, and they actually release separately as two.
You're going down.
I bet I'll